Today, I want to talk about something very special and close to my heart that has completely transformed my life. It is my journey to stillness through meditation. For over 30 years now, meditation has been a non-negotiable part of my daily routine. I meditate every single morning. It's as natural to me as breathing or brushing my teeth. I have made meditation a priority in my life, and in return, it has given me so much: a profound sense of quality of life, the ability to find a flow state, the capacity to handle life's most stressful situations, and a clear sense of guidance. It has also sharpened my focus and given me immense mental clarity. My journey with meditation didn't start in a studio or from a book. It began with my grandmother. She was the one who introduced me to ancient wisdom and the deep meaning of life when I was just a child. That influence planted a seed in me that grew into seeking journey, and I began to meditate as a teenager. Then I stopped meditating for a few years, but I always felt something deep within me was calling me to return. And now, for past 30 years, I have been dedicated to this practice every day. Between 2003 and 2012, in addition to my work as a coach, teacher, and consultant, I had privilege to teaching yoga and meditation to large groups of people in Sweden, where I live. This gave me a front row seat to the powerful transformations meditation can bring to anyone's life. You might be wondering, why is meditation so important, especially now? Many people think the goal of meditation is to stop thinking, but let me tell you, you cannot stop thinking. The human mind is a constant stream of thoughts, and that's okay. You can quiet your mind for a few seconds or a few minutes, and if you are a yogi, lama, or if you have been practicing meditation for many years, maybe then even longer. But the thoughts themselves are not the problem. The problem is the toxic thoughts that fill our minds. Our minds are active all the time, even when we are sleeping. This is why we dream, because our subconscious mind is still at work. So if your goal isn't to stop thinking, what is it? The goal of meditation is to shift your awareness from the endless stream of thoughts to the space between them. This is where the magic happens. The goal of meditation is to move from a state of being lost in your thoughts to a state of conscious awareness. It's about becoming the observer of your thoughts rather than being a slave to them. You can quiet your mind by focusing on your breath. Your breath is always with you. As you breathe in and out, you can start noticing where your next thought will come from. By simply observing, you create a space. In that space of awareness, you connect with your conscious mind. This is where you can align with your true self, your superconscious, or with the divine, God, Allah, Brahman, whatever you choose to call it. When this alignment happens, your entire life begins to shift. Meditation brings incredible benefits into your life. When you connect with that inner stillness, you will notice that your ability to manifest your dreams and your goals improves. You become more focused and can handle all kinds of life's challenges with much more clarity and grace. In today's world, we are bombarded with informations from social media, the news, and the constant notifications. Our minds never get a chance to rest. Meditation is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It is the rest your mind desperately needs. The highest form of meditation is when you are completely one with your true, authentic self. And the practice of stillness doesn't have to end when you open your eyes. Being mindful is about extending that meditative state into your daily life. It means not multitasking. Instead of doing 100 things at once, you do one thing at a time with 100% of attention. It's about being fully present in every single moment. When you are eating, you are just eating. When you are talking to a loved one, you are not also checking your phone. When you are walking, you are feeling your feet on the ground and noticing the world around you. This is the practice of being fully alive. Mindfulness allows you to live a more peaceful, focused, and intentional life, even in the midst of chaos. So how do you get started? First, don't overthink it. Find a quiet place, sit down comfortably, and just close your eyes for a few minutes and focus on your breath. Not with just 5 minutes a day, you can slowly increase the time as you feel more comfortable. Second, I highly recommend learning from a teacher if you can. A good teacher can provide guidance, correct your posture, and answer your questions. They can help you find a style of meditation that works best for you, because what works for me may not work for you. There are many different types of meditation, from silent meditation to guided visualizations. Experiment and see what feels right for you. This journey is about finding stillness in a loud world and creating a life that is truly aligned with your deepest self. Meditation has been my anchor for 30 years, and I truly believe it can be yours too. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, be present and be well, and I see you in the next video.